What's up YouTube? It's your boy Burnhard here, and it's been a while since I've been on the channel, but today I want to do something very different for you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests, and today we're going to be taking our talents into the kitchen. We're not going to be working out, we're not going to be talking, we're going to be in the kitchen, and we're going to create one of my favorite meals. Guys, this is one of my favorite meals that I want to share with you, called Oyster Chikn Mushrooms. And you know, I'm a vegan, so like, it's not really chicken, but it does have that flavor to it, all right? And I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to create this wonderful meal, all right? So let's go. All right, for the ingredients, guys, the most important thing, you gotta have some oyster mushrooms. See, you can have some oyster mushrooms right here. And we have black pepper, focus, black pepper. We have organic bread crumbs. We have sea salt, the fine one. We have spelt flour, organic coconut milk, organic. We have cumin, right here, cumin. Turmeric. We have red pepper for the spice, you know, we love it spicy. More curry powder, focus, wonderful, right there, curry powder. And last, we have some garlic. You see the garlic right there. All right, so now let's get into the cooking. Alright guys, so now we're preparing the batter for our meal, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the spelt flour first. Put that in there. All of that in there. Okay, so next we have some curry powder. Just dash it in there. Boom. We have some turmeric. Put that in the turmeric. Boom, boom, boom. We have some oregano. Boom, right there. Red pepper. Salt, garlic. Let's get a close up on that garlic. Wow. There, we got some garlic. Okay. Awesome. Next, we have some black pepper. I know we said we wasn't working out today, but this is kind of a workout. Get your arms and your forearms going. Just get a good amount in there. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk. You have an option, you can use water, but me, I like using coconut milk, especially organic. So we're gonna put it right in there. Yeah. All right, so most important thing, you wanna make sure that the batter is not too thick. So if you feel like it's too thick, then you can add some water or coconut milk. Back to the stirring. Alright guys, so it's about that time. I'm gonna taste the batter and see. I'm just looking right here. It's good, it's good. But if you feel like you need to add some more salt or pepper, do not be afraid. Add some salt and pepper and make sure your batter is perfection. So next, we're gonna add our breadcrumbs right here in this bowl. Just pour it all out, pour it all out. So now, you see we have our oyster mushrooms, and this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna take one of our oyster mushrooms. This is just an example, and we're just gonna put it into our batter. Make sure it's all battered up, right? Make sure, just get in there, yeah. And put it in the breadcrumbs, and this is what you're gonna do, just back and front. Just make sure that the crumbs on every corner of the mushroom itself. See that? Nice. Yeah, I think this bad boy is ready. Let me just sprinkle a little something. And voila. Put it down. All right, with this one, just follow my instructions. Back and forth. All right? Take the mushroom out and put in the breadcrumbs. Back and forth. But use the tip. Use the tip. Let that be your guiding tool to put the crumbs on the mushrooms. Alright. Should be looking like this. Perfecto. Alright guys, so you can see that we have the breadcrumbs and the batter on the mushrooms. Let's see, get a nice close-up view of that. Nice, nice. Alright, so now we get into the fun part. We're gonna get the frying of the mushrooms, alright? So follow me and let's go. Now, we're gonna fry our oyster fried mushrooms. Boom, right there. Always hold the tip so you don't burn yourself. Okay. Good. Spreading the mushrooms as they start to fry. So hold it on the side of the pot to drain the oil. Look at that. Wow. Get your little plate right here. Put it in. I think we got one more that's ready. Alright guys, so our fried chicken oyster mushrooms are finished, and the most important thing is the taste test, alright? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our fried oyster mushroom. Look at that. Ow. Wow. Alright? And we're just gonna try it by itself, right? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. It's so good. Look at this. Looking like some chicken. But it ain't chicken. Now, we're gonna try it with some barbecue sauce. Alright? So we're just gonna dip it in there. Dip it in the barbecue. Look at that. Alright? Oh my god. I need a moment. It's so good. So good, so good. Alright? So we tried the barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna try the ketchup. See that? Good. Oh. I'm lost for words. It's hitting. It's really hitting. Guys, this is the fried chicken oyster mushrooms right here. And I'm just so happy to share this meal with you guys because, you know, as a vegan, some people think we're just eating grass and water, all right? But there's way more options out there. I'm happy to give it to you, all right? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to rate, comment, and subscribe, and share with somebody that might benefit from this awesome recipe, all right? It's your boy Burnhard signing out. And also, let me know if you like more cooking videos. You know, try to add a little more spice to the channel, all right? I'll see you in the next one. Hold on. It's good. It's good.